the bridge. I like how they, I don't know, the supports kind of twist over each other.
Yeah, it's, the idea is that these are sort of swans, so it's Swan River, so you've got the body and you've got the neck going up to the head.
Got them a couple of times. There we go. Good morning, another beautiful day in Perth, Australia. Going for a 6 a.m. run. Woke up at, I'm in the middle of the road, probably new. Woke up at 3 this morning because I was jet lagged again. It's going to take me a while to get onto this schedule. Maybe I shouldn't have done this in the middle of the road. But it is 6 in the morning, so it's all good. There's not many cars. So yeah, plan on going to this park, Kings Park. I saw it on the boat ride yesterday with Mike. This beautiful boat ride. I'll maybe add some montages from there. Saw some dolphins, that was great. Anyways, I'm gonna try and find this place, not get lost. I saw an amazing bridge where you can see across the river, and yeah, hopefully get some good footage. So here we are in Kingston Park, and man, I underestimated how long it was going to take. Distance was about 6k. I've been running for about 40 minutes, just stopping for traffic and everything. So I'm taking like the little dirt tracks, I thought it would be nicer. I'm gonna try and go straight to the bridge and then probably come back because I've got to do another 6k to go all the way back. And I'm pretty tired. Anyways, let's see what we can find. Full focus. Look at that.